Welcome to the Factory Cat XR scheduled maintenance video number 2 of a 2-part video series. Cylindrical scrub deck scheduled maintenance. Press the clip above and open the jaws to expose your cylindrical scrub deck as demonstrated here. With the scrub deck in the lowered position, check the deck squeegee wipers for wear and to check if they are level with the floor as shown here. Next, check the hinge assembly for proper operation and lubrication. Once this is completed, check the spring clip assembly to ensure that it is in proper working order and lubricated as well. At this point, remove the clevis pin holding the wiper assembly in place and check for proper movement and lubrication. Next, examine the spring tension assembly for proper operation, as demonstrated here. Next, remove the spring clip holding the brush hub assembly, as shown here. Once removed, examine the spring clip on the brush assembly for proper operation and lubrication. Next, check the brush hub for wear, and also examine that the rubber brush seal is in proper working order. Once this is complete, examine the brush bearing assembly to ensure that it is free of string wrappings and it is also clear of dirt and debris. Check the brush hub that it spins freely as demonstrated here. Next, remove the cylindrical brush and examine the brush and the brush driver assembly for any type of wear or damage. Once completed, check the drive belt assembly and pulley and inspect for wear and clean if needed, if there is any dirt or debris present. Note, always make sure the machine is in the off position and the keys are removed when conducting this inspection. At this point, inspect the neoprene gasket that is located in front of the scrub deck assembly. Examine this gasket for wear or damage. When reinstalling the brush hub assembly, make a note of the alignment, as shown here. When you have the pins aligned, gently lift up on the brush hub assembly and they will lock into place as demonstrated. When complete, lock the spring clip in the closed position, as demonstrated here. Located at the rear of the cylindrical scrub deck is a removable debris hopper. Remove as shown. Inspect the hopper assembly for any type of wear or damage, and also make sure that the hopper is clean and free of any dirt and debris. Also take note of the Teflon glide bar to ensure that it is in proper condition as well. Then reinstall your hopper accordingly. Next, close the squeegee wiper assembly and reinstall the cotter pins as demonstrated here. Confirm that everything is in proper order. And then next, close the jaw shroud and lock them into place. Examine the bumper assemblies for proper operation and inspect for any type of damage. Service the opposite side when complete. Disc scrub deck scheduled maintenance. The Factory Cat XR and GTX Rider platforms are similar in maintenance procedures. If your Rider scrubber is equipped with a disc scrub deck, open the jaw shrouds accordingly, as demonstrated here. Also, inspect the spring lock assemblies for proper operation and lubrication. Next, inspect the jaw door hinge for proper operation and lubrication as well. Once completed, remove the 2 thumb screws holding the scrub deck shroud in place. Remove as demonstrated here. Inspect the shroud assemblies and the squeegee wipers for any type of damage and clean for any type of dirt and debris. Next, inspect the thumb screws for proper operation and lubrication. Once completed, remove the pad drivers or the brush assembly as demonstrated here. Inspect the brush hub and the spring latches for any type of wear or damage. If your Rider is equipped with a brush, inspect the wear of the brush fiber. When the fiber reaches 1/4 inch in length, the brushes should be replaced in complete sets. Next, inspect your GTX and XR brush drive hub assembly. Inspect that they are free of any type of string wrap and are free of dirt and debris. Also, inspect the rubber skirt assembly that surrounds the deck and examine for wear or damage. Next, reinstall the brush and brush shroud assemblies and lower the scrub deck. Inspect that the squeegee wipers are level to the floor and are free of any type of wear. Next, inspect the brush deck lift actuator. Cycle the scrub deck up and down and inspect the actuator and linkage assemblies for proper operation. Also make sure that all the pivot points are properly lubricated. This area should be free of any type of dirt and debris. Lastly, inspect the brush drive motors. Make sure that the cooling ports are free of dirt and debris. Once completed, inspect the wiring harnesses that they are in good shape and are also free of any type of wear or damage. Next, inspect the front drive wheel assembly. Your GTX or XR Rider scrubber wheel assemblies are mounted to the drive motor as shown here. Inspect the drive motor for wear and make sure that they are free of dirt and debris. Next, inspect the steering chain as shown here. This chain is located at the top of the drive wheel assembly. Check for proper chain tension and make sure the chain itself is properly lubricated. Check the steering chain assembly by moving the steering wheel left and right to ensure that all the components are working properly. Squeegee maintenance. Located at the top of the squeegee linkage assembly is a gold-colored adjustment knob. This adjustment is used to adjust the pitch of your squeegee assembly. Turning the knob clockwise will press the tips down, and turning the knob counterclockwise will raise the tips. The goal of the squeegee adjustment is to ensure that the squeegee blades have even deflection across the entire length of the squeegee assembly. To adjust the down pressure of your XR squeegee, you will need an 11/16 and a 1/2 inch box wrench. First, loosen the 11/16 lock nut as shown. Next, using the 1/2 inch box wrench, turn the caster wheel stem in the direction needed to adjust the down pressure. The XR squeegee assembly is equipped with 2 caster wheels. Once your caster wheels are set, lock the 11/16 lock nut into place. Refer to your XR's owner's manual for further detailed information on making this adjustment. Squeegee replacement. Located on the right-hand corner of your XR squeegee assembly is an embossed number that designates the size of your XR squeegee rubber. Use this number to order replacement blades. The first step to replacing your XR squeegee blades is to open the quick release latch on your rear squeegee retainment band as demonstrated here. Once released, remove the stainless steel retainment bands as shown. Next, remove the squeegee rubber as demonstrated here. Your squeegee rubber has 4 usable wiping surfaces. Flip the squeegee rubber to a new wiping edge when needed as demonstrated. Make sure that the squeegee rubber fits correctly into all the pilot holes as shown, and then replace the 2 stainless steel retainment bands in reverse order of the way that they were removed. To replace the front squeegee rubber, first undo the 6 center retainment thumb screws as shown, and then the final 2 remaining thumb screws located on the ends of the squeegee rubber as demonstrated here. Once removed, remove the squeegee retainment band followed by the front squeegee rubber. As mentioned earlier, your XR squeegee wiper blades consist of 4 usable sides as shown here. The front squeegee blade consists of 2 sets of intake ports. The upper portion contains 6 intake ports and the lower portion contains 8 intake ports. The squeegee rubber can be changed over in order to give you the maximum squeegee performance. On smooth surfaces, the 8-sided blade should be facing the floor. On a textured surface such as tile and grout, a 6-sided blade should be used in order to gain maximum squeegee performance. Please reference your owner's manual for more detailed information on this topic. For more detailed information about your FactoryCat XR scrubber, contact us on the web at www.factorycat.com. On behalf of all of us at FactoryCat, we thank you for watching this video.